Hello students, today we are going to study about his first flight by Liam O'Flaherty. This is a chapter which describes about the importance of courage and how should we acquire courage when we have a huge problem in our life. In order to achieve a great issues and all, we have to take the first step. That first step takes a lot of pressure and a lot of tension in our life. This story also about a small seagull who wants to have his first flight. He wants to have fly first, and it takes a lot of problems with him. He had to face a lot of trials and tribulations in order to fly over the sea. This chapter tells about the need of courage and self confidence to overcome fears in life. See, in this story, the seagull was afraid to fly. He lacked confidence. He was fearful of the vast expanse of sea beneath him. He was not trying. His parents, brothers, and sisters tried their level best to encourage and boost his morale. A young seagull looked desperately at the vast expanse of sea water that stretched before him. He wants to fly over the sea. Usually, seagulls are migrating birds. They have to fly a lot of distance in order to reach in a position. But he was afraid, and seeing the vast expanse sea, he could not fly. He could not take the first step. His parents, brothers, and little sister had flown away and left him alone on the rock. Only he was there. He could not fly. All others were able to fly over the expanse of sea. He was not trying. His parents, brothers, and sisters tried their level best to encourage and boost his morale, but he could not fly. His parents, brothers, everyone tried to help him, encouraged him, but they felt that it is useless. So they thought of not giving food until he has flown over the sea. There was no food and he was hungry. He could not fly even, and they were not even giving food to our beloved seagull. And because of these things, everything expands of the sea tension which he had, but he failed to collect correct courage. Somehow he want to fly, but he could not fly because he didn't have any kinds of courage. Many times he had tried to run forward to the brink of the ledge and flap his wings, but what is the use? But he was afraid and felt that his wings would not support him. Despite making countless efforts, his parents could not persuade him to make an attempt to fly. Whatever the parents or family members do, he was not ready to, he was not courageful to take the first step, so he was not able to fly. And he tried to get the attention of his parents because he was not getting food, he was hungry. So somehow he was starving. Only his mother felt pity on him. He was starving, and his mother only felt some kind of pity over him. He was starving, and that he would die if he did not get any food. And he saw his mother tearing a piece of fish, and with the with a lot of happiness and all, he wants to, sorry, with not happiness, with his he saw, when he saw his mother uh, tearing the fish, he cried out to her. He just screamed back mockingly. But when he reached for the fish, Mother was not ready to show any kinds of sympathy towards him, even though mother had a lot of sympathy towards seagull. She was not ready to show him. Somehow his mother wanted to make him fly over the dense dense forest and expanse of the sea. Then he saw his mother approaching him with food and was very happy in the first, but later, by seeing the change of the her mother, he felt a lot of sad. He was very hungry, so he dived at the fish. His mother flew upward. He started falling, and with the keeping the fish as a bait, his mother was trying to make him fly, and with that intelligent act, seagull made a fall to the sea, and somehow after flapping a lot of time, after falling into the sea, he made a lot of flapping, and he tried a lot. After that incident, he took the courage and made his first flight. This is the story of first flight. You can read the chapter now, and I will give notes, and I will ask some of the questions. Please read the chapter first. This is just the summary. So after that, you will get questions and you have to answer. Thank you.